Good morning, incredible human. Start by taking in a nice deep breath and then breathing out. Just breathing in and breathing out. And with your next exhale, allow your eyes to close. Bring your attention to this moment, to the start of your day, breathing in and breathing out. Bring your attention to your heart center and activate the energy there. Doing this with your breath, or perhaps you want to tap on your heart center, on your heart chakra, to get the energy flowing, opening it up, waking it up, and begin to notice the energy of love flowing into and out of your heart space, your heart chakra. If you'd like to, give it a color and watch as the energy of love expands with each breath that you take, allowing you to receive love, to give love, to allow love, compassion to flow through you, within you, and all around you as you start your day, and to carry this energy throughout the day with you. And now notice the energy of gratitude. Give it a color if you'd like, and watch the energy of gratitude expand with each breath. Noticing how this gratitude flows within you and all around you. How it enhances every cell, every muscle, every nerve, every thought, every emotion, every detail of your day. And now pay attention and notice, become aware of, if there was anyone, including yourself, that you would like to take a moment to share some forgiveness towards today. To make a decision to forgive an act, a word, something that hurt you, from yourself or from someone else. Take a moment and just let forgiveness flow from your heart energy, from your heart center. Very well. And now take a moment and check in with yourself. What is something you need to do today? And what is something you want to do today? How do you want to feel today? And what thoughts do you want to think today? Are you going to choose to think thoughts that support you, that uplift you, that help you remember the amazingness of who you are? And take a moment setting your intentions for the day. And asking your spirit team, your higher power, your inner strength and resources in knowing this or something better. and just letting your breath flow in and flow out. Take a moment and remind yourself something that you are proud of yourself for. And now when you're ready, with your next breath, go ahead and open your eyes, starting your day with intention, with love, gratitude, forgiveness, setting the intention so that this day unfolds in the most beautiful ways for you. Remembering that you matter, your worth is constant, and you've always been enough since your very first breath. Sending you endless love. Until next time. Thank you so much for listening. This is Steph, and I would absolutely love it if you liked this video and subscribed to my channel.